In this video we look at methods, the functions that live inside a class, and a special word called self that lets every object refer to itself. Think of a method as a function that belongs to an object. The word self is how that function knows which object it is working with, and Python hands it over automatically every time you call the method. Here is the program we will trace. We define a dog class with two methods, create one dog named Rex, and print what it says when it barks. Lines 1 through 5 define the class. Dunder init runs when we create a new dog and stores the name on the object. Bark is a second method that uses that name to build a greeting. On line 7, dog of Rex creates a brand new dog object. Python immediately calls dunder init, passing that new object as self and the string Rex as name. Then self.name equals Rex stores Rex on the object. On line 8, d.bark is called. Python silently passes d as self, so inside bark, self.name is Rex. The method returns the string Rex as woof and print displays it. When we run the file, Python prints Rex as woof. The method reached into the object, found the name Rex through self, and used it to build the message. To sum up, methods live in classes, self is the object itself, and Python passes it for you the moment you use dot notation. Use self inside your methods whenever you need the object's own data.